Hi, Tita AJ. Happy 7th birthday. We're both 7 years old. I wish that your birthday will be filled with magic, glitters, and laughter, and all your favorites. I hope you get your favorite toys today. I pray that all the wishes of your parents and loved ones for you will come true. I hope to see and play with you again when you visit the Philippines. But now, enjoy your party, make a wish, and blow your cake. Happy birthday, we love you.
Happy birthday, Tita AJ. We love you. See you soon.
Happy birthday, AJ. Sana lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos. I love you.
Happy birthday, AJ.
AJ, happy 7th birthday. I wish you the best birthday, more blessings to come, and stay healthy.
Happy birthday, Tita AJ. Ingat ka dyan palagi. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita AJ. Study hard and see you soon. Love you.
Happy 7th birthday, AJ. Wish ko more blessings to come and sana lumaki ka may takot sa Diyos. Yun lang.
Happy 7th birthday to one of my most favorite person in the whole world. Happy 7th birthday, AJ. I hope all your wishes come true. And sana lumaki ka na may takot sa Diyos. And I love you so much and I miss you. See you soon. Happy 7th birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita AJ. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Tita AJ. Happy birthday, Tita AJ. Happy birthday, Tita AJ. Happy birthday, AJ. Happy birthday, AJ.
Happy birthday, AJ! Sana malusog ka palagi. I love you. Kuya Paul.
Hello, bebe. Happy birthday. Kain ka palagi, Magpataba ka.
Happy birthday, AJ. Sending you well wishes and hopes that you have a fun day today. I miss you and I love you.
Happy birthday po, Tita AJ. God bless you.
Happy 7th birthday, AJ. Study hard and always listen to your mommy and daddy. Love you, Neng.
Happy birthday, AJ. See you soon. Happy birthday. Sana mapalaki ka nilang magandang ugali at maganda ka kay mama mo. Yun lang. Happy birthday.